Hello, I'm Joe Stewart, Chairman of the Texas Association of REALTORS, and I'm pleased to share with you the results of the latest edition of the Texas Quarterly Housing Report. In the third quarter of 2012, the Texas housing market continued its remarkable resurgence. The market posted a 14% increase in sales volume, selling 66,746 homes statewide, with roughly 6% increases in both median and average sales price. The statewide median sales price, where half of all homes sold for more and half sold for less, was $161,400. The average sales price was $208,515. At the same time, statewide housing inventory decreased 24.6%, going from 7.3 months in the third quarter of 2011 to 5.5 months in the third quarter of this year. Economists say 6.5 months of housing inventory represents a market balance between supply and demand. So 5.5 months is a clear indicator that the statewide market has firmly shifted to a seller's market. The same trends of increasing sales volume, higher prices, and decreasing housing inventory were also seen in the vast majority of the 48 local Texas markets included in the Texas Quarterly Housing Report. You can find that report posted to the Texas Association of REALTORS consumer website, texasrealestate.com. Now, let's look at some of the major markets in Texas, starting with Houston, which now has 6 million residents. The volume of Houston home sales was up nearly 17% in third quarter compared to last year, and the median sales price was up 5.6%. Months inventory in Houston dipped to 5 months compared to 7 a year ago. And where I call home, Austin, home sales volume jumped 17% over third quarter last year, and the median sales price went up 7%. Months inventory dipped from 5.8 to 4 months, solidifying Austin as one of the top-selling markets in the country. In Dallas, home sales were brisk as well. Dallas had a 16% increase in sales volume and nearly 9% jump in median price. Housing inventory in the Dallas market was similar to Austin's numbers at 4.2 months, indicating very strong demand. And finally, San Antonio. The Alamo City saw a double-digit increase in home sales volume in third quarter at 11%. The median price jumped 3%, and months inventory came in at 6.4 months, showing a near-perfect balance of affordability and growth. As these latest figures show, Texas continues to lead the nation in economic growth. As our housing market goes, so goes the Texas economy. At the Texas Association of REALTORS, we're leading advocates for Texas homeowners. Texas Realtors support public policies that make homeownership affordable and sustainable for Texas families. We'll continue this important mission on your behalf as we gear up for the 83rd Texas Legislature in 2013. I'd like to thank you for your attention and your support of Texas Realtors working on your behalf. In closing, I'd also like to thank the Real Estate Center of Texas A&M University for compiling the Texas Quarterly Housing Report and invite you to visit the Texas Association of REALTORS consumer website, texasrealestate.com, for more information. On behalf of all Texas Realtors, I'm Joe Stewart, and I'd like to remind you that when you have a question about Texas real estate, ask a Texas Realtor.